So, we were going to do the helmet, but then we realized we have a more important job, and that was getting, but the four-wheeler chain broke. So we got a new four-wheeler, or not a new four-wheeler, a new chain, and we're gonna put it on, and then we're gonna test it out.
Yep. So whenever you do these chains, it's a good idea if you can, when you replace a chain, also replace your sprockets. You want to replace the back sprocket at least, and then you can the front sprocket. But I don't know if you can tell, our back sprocket has been welded on there, so we're not replacing that. But so we've got the chain on, we've got the tensioner loosened up. We did all that off tape, but we'll have Jude show you how to tighten it all back up, and then we're going to mark our chain where we got to cut it, and we'll do that. We'll be right back.
Damn well.
Alright, so, we added the chain and stuff, and we loosened up a bunch of things to get it, on there and stuff. We got it through it, and now we're just tightening, all this stuff. And while we tighten it, the chain is gonna start getting, tighter and tighter, so.
Yeah, we'll let you know when to stop. But so we have everything loose. He's tightening the tensioner up now, and as he keeps going, you'll see the. You may not be able to see on camera, but
Hold on,
yeah. Do you want to change spots? Yeah, come over here and do it. The video.
am I spinning it the right way?
Yep, you're doing good. We had to loosen it quite a bit, and the other chain was real stretched, so you have to go quite a bit. Go ahead and get comfortable, man. You can see everything starting to roll back now.
Is that good?
Yep. All right.
Oh yeah, that is good.
I would say that's good right there, Jude. And then always just give it a little roll. Make sure everything's.
I think we should do one more crank.
Let me see. And think, guys, this is also a brand new chain. Do one more. That's good. That's plenty. It's going to loosen up, so you might want to check it again in the future. But
Oh yeah, that was way tighter.
yeah, we're gonna. There's still movement in it, so we're good. All right, we're going to now. We need to tighten the axle back up, so we're gonna tighten here, and then down here is another one we gotta tighten.
So we're gonna do that with this.
So we will be right back, guys.
Okay, so we got the chain on again, like I said. Everything is now tightened, and before you ride it, one, you need safety. So I got my helmet right over there, so I can ride it later. Got water, stay hydrated, and then so what you're gonna do when you get the chain on the four-wheeler, you just want to give it a roll to see if the chain will pop off. And if it does pop off, that's not a good sign.
Yep, just it means something's not square, so straighten the axle out.
So
But everything's tightened back up. Make sure it's all good.
roll it a little there. Then always check to see if there's gas in it.
Yeah, gas and oil is also something to always check for. So
Gas.
we'll be back in a little bit. Our next video will be Jude riding it, making sure everything's working good. We'll be right back.